In this video, we review T4Trade. Have you used T4Trade before? What was your experience? Leave your T4Trade review in the comments section below. T4Trade, a newer option in the Forex and CFD trading market, combines several advantages with some noted risks. An intriguing aspect of T4Trade is its comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support both novice and seasoned traders. These include webinars, eBooks, and a diverse library of trading podcasts. Additionally, T4Trade operates on the MetaTrader 4 (MT4) platform, renowned for its user-friendly interface, customizable charts, extensive technical indicators, and compatibility with automated trading. However, T4Trade's offshore regulatory status and frequent withdrawal complaints from users have raised significant concerns. One of T4Trade's strengths lies in its variety of trading instruments, covering forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. This range provides users with diverse market exposure and portfolio diversification options. The MT4 platform enhances T4Trade's appeal with its rich suite of tools for placing orders, analyzing trends, and automating trades, making it popular with beginners and experienced traders alike. T4Trade's emphasis on education is another appealing feature, especially for those who want to improve their trading knowledge as they invest. However, T4Trade operates under an offshore license from Seychelles, which lacks the strict oversight found in major financial jurisdictions like the US, UK, or European Union. Offshore regulation often comes with looser compliance standards, which can make it harder to enforce consumer protection measures or guarantee transparency. The regulatory uncertainty has fueled concerns among users about the platform's reliability. This worry is compounded by numerous user complaints about withdrawal difficulties. Many report significant delays in withdrawal processing, and some even claim that they have been denied access to their funds, creating frustration and suspicion about the platform's practices. Customer support on T4Trade has received mixed reviews. While some users find the service team helpful, particularly for onboarding and platform navigation, others describe a lack of responsiveness when dealing with more critical issues, especially during withdrawal disputes. This inconsistency can be problematic, as rapid and effective customer support is essential in financial services, where unresolved issues can impact a trader's finances directly. Additionally, T4Trade's fee structure has faced criticism. Traders who hold positions overnight encounter swap fees, and spreads on the platform can be costly, which may place T4Trade at a disadvantage compared to other brokers offering similar services. Another point worth considering is that T4Trade only offers the MetaTrader 4 platform and not MetaTrader 5, which some traders prefer for its enhanced functionality and broader market options. For traders seeking innovative proprietary tools or access to social trading networks, T4Trade may feel limited since it lacks both. While the platform provides deposit methods like credit and debit cards and e-wallets, certain transactions incur fees, and bank transfers may take longer to complete. In conclusion, T4Trade's strengths lie in its accessible educational resources and the MT4 platform, making it a potentially good choice for traders eager to develop their skills while trading. However, the platform's offshore regulation, customer service challenges, and withdrawal complaints suggest a cautious approach is prudent. Users may find value in T4Trade's features, but should carefully evaluate these potential downsides and consider their personal risk tolerance before engaging with the platform.